Bonjour, and today we will be making crepes with a special guest, Finn Kalia. Hi! So, tell us a little bit about yourself, Kalia.
My name is Kalia, and I have my own YouTube channel called Finn Kalia, so make sure to subscribe to that, and we're going to be doing a collab today.
Okay, so as I said, we're going to be making crepes, which is a French dessert, and I know they're very delicious, so let's get to it. So the first ingredient is 1.5 cup of milk. We're just going to pour that into a blender. And the second ingredient is 4 large eggs.
So Finn, tell me more about crepes.
So crepes, as you know, they're popular. They're like a popular dessert, or not dessert, because they can be savory or sweet. My favorite crepe is probably a Nutella and banana crepe, which are really good.
I would definitely have to agree, except for I like whipped cream and strawberries in mine too.
Oh yeah, that's a good crepe. Now let's add the flour.
Which there's 1 cup of flour.
Yeah, 1.5 cup of flour.
And then we've got 1 tablespoon of sugar.
And
I think it's a 1/4 teaspoon of salt.
Yeah. Let's get all that flour in there. And then we're gonna get 3 tablespoons of butter. And then you're gonna blend that up until bubbles start to form on the top.
So your crepe batter is gonna look super bubbly at the top, and this is what it should look like.
Yeah. So now we're gonna refrigerate this for about an hour, and you're just gonna put it into a container like a Tupperware or something.
So you're gonna use an 8-inch pan and put it on medium heat. We also spread butter all over the pan so that it won't be sticky.
Yeah. So you're gonna get about 3 tablespoons of batter to scoop onto your pan, and you're just gonna swirl that around because you really want it to be as thin as you possibly can. And you don't want more than 3 tablespoons. So about, if you get a 1/4 cup, then you can just kind of go like a little less than it. Pour it on. Start to swirl it around. And don't get frustrated if your first one doesn't turn out perfect, because crepes are pretty hard to flip.
So you just bake for your friends and family?
Yeah. And for myself. The crepe looks about done to flip. Grab the edge. And flip it. Oh! That's
Looks
awesome.
amazing.
I think we might need to cook it a little bit more, but that's looking really good. So these are our first few crepes. As you can see, they're looking amazing, and we have another station where we're both cooking. That one's looking very good too. No, you're doing great. These crepes are the best crepes you'll ever see. Oh my god!
Exactly how it's
I really hope your guys' crepes look like this. Mwah! So beautiful.
Okay guys, so we just got done with all the crepes, so now we're gonna make our personal crepes. Finn is gonna make our savory BLT crepe, and I'm gonna make a sweet crepe with cookie butter, bananas, and strawberries.
With the BLT crepe, we're gonna put a slice of tomato, some bacon, some lettuce. I'm gonna just do I'll just do this much lettuce and a little bit of avocado because I love avocado on my sandwiches. And I'm gonna put salt and pepper on it. Finish it. There we go. The BLT crepe, and I'm just gonna roll that up. There you go.
Okay, so I'm gonna get my cookie butter and spread it all over my crepe.
It's so loud.
Okay, I'm gonna spread that all over my crepe. Okay, and then I'm gonna put some strawberries and some banana. And then after that, I'm gonna roll that up. Add some whipped cream. And then sprinkle some powdered sugar on it. And I'm done.
Wow, yours looks way better than mine.
Okay.
Yeah, I can go fancy too. Huh? How's this for you? Yeah. Okay, so now we're gonna try our crepes.
We're gonna try our crepes.
I'm going full. That's on. So good. So, the possibilities are like endless with crepes.
100 out of 10.
Oh, it's so good.
You guys definitely need to try this at home.
Oh my god. So, in mine, it just tastes like a BLT. It's so good because the crepe, it just tastes like a better bread than you'd use for BLT. And I'd probably choose this over a BLT. Really like it. The crepe, I would have put a lot more salt and pepper on this because the crepe takes away more of that flavor, but it's really good.
For me, this is really, really good. The cookie butter, the bananas, and the strawberries are super good together, and the whipped cream just tops it off. This is definitely my new favorite crepe.
Okay, guys, thank you for watching. I hope you guys make these crepes. They're really good, and make sure to like and subscribe and follow my Instagram, also called Finn Eats World, and also make sure to subscribe to Talia's channel, and see ya.
Yes, we can do it at home. Yeah, it's easy. It's like my favorite crepe.
What do you think? Is it yummy?